Hi all, welcome back for another update on the jet bike. Got a few bits and pieces to show off this week, starting with the belt routing. I finished making this tensioner and got the biggest pulley they had down at the supply store to get as much wrap on that supercharger pulley as possible. I don't know how much you can see in there. There is millimeters clearance. Now that's about as good as it's going to get, I think. We'll see if I have any belt slip when I fire it up. Moving back, I got the top hat for the combustion chamber welded on with its V-band, so it fits in there pretty well. But the biggest change is the intercoolers. I managed to get them both on and plumbed up, and it is even more ridiculous than I was expecting. But that's the complete hot and cold side turbos all plumbed up. What a nightmare. See, I got the air tank mounted on the back too. I'll probably have the tail light sit in here somewhere. But that's almost all the big stuff done. I'm waiting on one more belt tensioner so I can mount my compression brake on the side here. It'll give me some engine braking, and then probably mount the oil tank for the lubrication system for the aircon pumps over on this side somewhere above the alternator, up away from my knees. But that's all I've got done this week. But I'm pretty happy with that. As always, let me know what you think. I'll see you next week.